to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. During a sale, a discount of 15% was given off the mark price of a hair. If the mark price was $115, then the sale price was, so this is a discount, right? So this person was given a discount of 15% of $115, right? So we're interested in not how much was taken off, but how much they actually paid for the item. So to start off with, we're going to find out how much percent they actually pay. So if I take off 15%, that means I'm going to actually pay 85%. Original is 100, and then we subtract 15% from it, and this is what I am actually going to pay for the item, 85%, because 15% is taken off, right? Now that I'm going to pay 85%, I'm just going to find 85% of $115. So it's 85% as a fraction, it's 85 divided by 100 times 115. What is 85 times 115? Let's work that out over here. So we just go to the side, 85 times 115, and that gives us 9,775, right? Given that we have found that 85 times 115, 9,775, we put that in because 8 times that is that, and then 1 times 100 is 100. Now let's just divide 975. So it's 9,775 divided by 100. So that's going to move 2 places. So our answer is 97.75, which is A. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe.